Precious Metals Summit 2017 in Zurich, ladies and gentlemen. Commodity TV here for you live on stage. And we have Camino Minerals now with us. Ken McNaughton, the president and CEO, who wants to give us an insight into his company. Welcome.
Thank you.
Great for having you here. Camino Minerals, what is your company about? I think you work in Peru and also in the States. Maybe you give us a short overview.
That's correct. Yes, we've made a significant new copper discovery in southern Peru, just off the coast. And in Oregon, we have a epithermal gold deposit that we've, getting ahead of myself, a nice property that we hope to drill next year.
Okay,
but
fantastic.
Our main focus, copper oxide in Peru.
Okay, great. Then let's start with Peru. Let's dive into the project. As you said, copper oxide.
Yep.
Maybe you give us an idea what you have achieved 2017 so far. You drilled already great intercepts, I think.
Yes, exactly. Large intercepts up to 160 meters of 1% copper.
Wow, that's a lot.
It is. Yeah. Near surface, mostly copper oxide. There is a high-grade feeder zone, which is running 3 to 10 meters of up to 5% copper. So good open pit potential, nice geometry to it. Mostly oxide, but the system's open at depth, so we can certainly chase it a lot deeper. And it's open along strike as well. So we've gone from a grassroots, brand new discovery to now a zone that's 500 meters long and 150 meters wide and 300 to 400 meters deep.
That was
still open.
Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Great. But that was maybe the reason why your share price spiked a bit.
Yeah, we happened to hit the market at a time when they're looking for new discoveries. So the market, we went from 30 cents to $2.20. I would say the market got a little ahead of itself.
Overexcited,
we've pulled back since then and now seem to be building from that base of 45, 50 cents.
Okay, perfect. When will we see a first resource estimate for the copper?
When I think we can see at least 1 billion pounds of copper, and right now I can kind of see we're about halfway there. So we need to stretch the Adriana zone out, probably double the size of it, and I think that's a nice threshold to start with. We don't know where the edge of the system is yet, so I'm not in a hurry to go to a resource.
Okay, perfect. That leads to my next question. How many meters you want to drill in 2018? Because this year is almost finished. Almost finished,
yeah. So from starting in May, we've completed this year 12,500 meters so far, and we'll drill another 2,000 to 3,000 meters this year. And assuming financing's available, I think we're looking at double that next year. So I would be 20,000 to 25,000 meters next year.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
We're aggressive. It's been my history with my other companies is to just get on it and go.
Okay, super. And this might lead then to the 1 billion pounds?
Oh, easily, easily. The 1 billion pounds is our threshold. That's our first threshold. McNaughton is 100 kilometers up the road, and that's a 370 million ton deposit of 0.7 copper. So it's 4.5 billion pounds of copper, contained copper. So, we're in that elephant country, and we're seeing a lot of the same attributes as at McNaughton. So we certainly have potential to go there. So the 1 billion pounds is just the first threshold, but I think we've got potential for a lot more.
Absolutely, it sounds really like. Let's move to the States, to Oregon, where you have a gold property, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So what's the status there?
In a former life, I worked with a couple prospectors who brought us a lot of great results in Mexico. And when we took over Camino Minerals, they brought us this Oregon property. And basically, it's a 5-6 mile long, large alteration system with little spikes of gold in it. So it's really looking like a high-grade epithermal gold system. So, your classic banded colliform system, but we've got to drill, down a couple hundred meters to find the boiling zone.
So what's the drill plan for next year?
I'd like to get there in the spring and just prove the concept. So go in, drill a couple holes, not a big program, see where it fits. It isn't a core project now, but certainly with good results, we'll move it up the ladder very quickly.
Fantastic. Okay, let's talk about money. Because you want to drill a lot, of course, and you want to move forward. What's in the bank and how long will it last?
Right now, we're sitting around $4 million Canadian. and that'll certainly see us through the end of the year and early into the new year. But yes, if we're going to stick with our plans, we're going to be looking to finance again in the new year. But the company by no means has to go out and finance right away.
Yeah.
We can get our results out, we can pick our timing in the market.
Yeah, fantastic. So what is, let's say, management share into the company, and what is
I personally,
large shareholders?
Yeah, I personally own almost 12% of the company.
Wow.
Most of which paid, you know, these prices are higher.
Yeah.
Management with the directors hold 17%, and then we have several large shareholders that probably make up another 20%, and then it drifts off.
Okay, perfect.
After that. Yeah.
From the large shareholders, any funds we know already, or any institutions, or are they more like on the private side?
Almost 100% retail. In the last financing, we had one fund come in, but that's it. You know, and it was a nice substantial amount, but yeah, otherwise it's 100% retail.
Fantastic, great. Yeah. Then we keep fingers crossed for 2018.
Absolutely.
Drill it out, show the results,
Yeah.
and I'm pretty sure you get the money with good results. That's I think that's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Because the world needs copper.
Yes, it does. Yeah, we're looking forward to it.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yes, appreciate it.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there was Ken McNaughton, the president and CEO of Camino Minerals, and you heard it, working in Peru and in Oregon, Peru. It looks like a fantastic copper project. £1 billion is the first hurdle they wanna take with a new 43-101 that should be next year definitely in place. And also in Oregon, they have to prove the concept, they have to prove the structure, which they want to do next year. So check out the company. Thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Zurich.